Hey lovelies, welcome back to Sandy's Food and Lifestyle. Today we'll be learning how to make plantain chips, or bekiri as it's called in Nigeria. Okay, so for the plantain chips, or bekiri as we call it in Nigeria, I'll be using 4 unripe plantains. Some of them are almost getting ripe. I like it when it's getting ripe. That's sure ripe. So let's start. I'm gonna peel the plantains first. So today is day 3 of Vlogmas. I missed day 4. I missed day 3. I pray I can keep up with this thing. Well, try my best. Try my best. So our chips, they're ready. So this is one. Can you hear the sound? Crunchy. So I have my jar here, but I'm going to store them because they're a lot. So I'm going to close this one. Plantain chips is ready. Yep.